Hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Janice. Today I will show you a new editor called Elementor. If you are new to editing and want to change it to a more advanced editing in WordPress, you can install a plugin called uh, Elementor. Okay, Elementor. Okay, you just go to plugin instead of the normal WordPress plug editor, you change it to a better plug editor. Just type Elementor. Okay, Elementor, this one. Okay, this is the plugin to install. Click on it now. Install it and activate it. Okay, just click dismiss. So Elementor. Okay, install and activate. So you will have a left hand side Elementor over here. And then I'm going to show you right now Elementor is using version 3.34.3. There's actually a new version 4, okay, that is available. If you are interested, you can actually get this version 4. Just go to Elementor. I'm teaching you how to install Elementor. Okay, version 4, the latest version. Okay, in Elementor. So first you need to install the Elementor, and then you just go to editor, under tools, under tools, you click on version control. Okay, version control, and then you sign up to become a beta tester. Sign up to become a beta tester. Click enable, and then save changes. So you will be actually getting the latest version 4. Save changes. Okay, don't show again. Okay, now you go to Elementor. Click on the dashboard. Click on update. Okay, let's welcome to the new Elementor. Okay, you will see this new plugin. Click update plugin. Okay, it will update. Right now I have 3.34.3 installed. You need to update this first to the 3.35 beta. Okay, update plugin. Okay, first update the plugin first, then later I'll teach you how to change it to the 4. You need to install this first. Update the plugin. Okay, now the Elementor update is done. Okay, the plugin is done. Now you go to this Elementor editor, tools. Okay, now you look at the version control. Okay, version control. Okay, I think I know why you didn't see the version 4 over here. You need to actually go to settings. Click on this. Okay, we have now a new tab under version 4. Okay, version 4. So the next gen of web creation, version 4. Then yeah, cleaner code like the CSS. Okay, more professional tools, variables, classes, and all those things. And then we just click activator. Activate, read and understand, and then click activate. Okay, and okay, now I got the new version of Elementor 4. Elementor 4. So there you go. Install plugin. Okay, but the plugin over here, this is still showing the 3.35. Okay, let's go back and go to the editor settings and go and check again. Version 4. Yeah, it's already activated unless I need to deactivate. Okay, anyway, I think this is better. Let's go and see post. See if this is a better version. Sometimes there's some bug. Let's just try it out first. Just click on this. Hello world. And then I'm going to edit with Elementor. Let's see how it will look like with the new Elementor 4. Okay, going to okay, let's run through. Okay, now this is a beta version. There's an Elementor AI. Okay, going to approve net. Elementor, there's a new AI. You need to connect and approve. You need to sign in to Elementor to connect. Anyway, I'm going to skip this. There's a new AI. And okay, Elementor has a new function called atomic elements. So now it's actually Elementor 4. This is the new Elementor beta version. You see this beta. Even though just now in the plugin we still see is version 3 point something, but we already activated the beta version of Elementor 4, which is this atomic elements. So you get to see some Flexbox, new box, default tabs, heading. Let's just drag and drop. This is the heading and other. Okay, so image, paragraph, button. You can do a button. There you go, button. I like the button. Okay, you can just type and then put a link. Okay, now there's this button. Okay, SVG. Okay, some SVG image, and then you can put the link. Yeah. The YouTube divider. So basically, some of these tabs, you can do a tab 1, 2, 3, tab 1, trigger, to trigger interaction, and then you can create interaction to which page, then it will trigger to which page and all that. Okay, so just exploring the new atomic elements in the Flexbox. Let's look at the Flexbox. Flexbox styling. About the same, some additional function effects. Now that can go and explore. So that's it. You already have now the Elementor 4 beta version. Okay, beta version. For those of you who are totally new on Elementor, basically this is a drag and drop thing. You can put an image box, upload your image, just how I insert. If you are new to my video, you can go and look at how I do the insert from URL to insert image without uploading. For uploading is this. You can also do an insert from URL. You can watch my other video. Okay, and basically this is a blog. You just put the heading. Yeah, heading blog. Look at that. Okay, and then this one, you can do a flex box. Okay, like this. So for example, I want 4 column. It will have 4 columns. It will have 4 columns. So you can choose 1 column or 4 column, whichever you want. Yeah, and then you can do, this is grid. You can decide this kind of grid or this kind of grid. Okay, and yeah, basically that. And then over here, click on the plus thing. You will just go through the elements and select whichever element you want. Over here, all the elements are here for you to use. Okay, link in bio, there are many elements. Elementor got a lot of function, will take quite a few hours to explain everything. So I'm just showing you how to install Elementor and use Elementor for beginning. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, please click the like button and subscribe to my channel. Goodbye.